Hello everyone. This is Raj Tupe, and now again I am back with my another project. Today I tried to use AngularJS. I tried to work on Tailwind CSS. So I'm going to talk about this one by one. So first of all, this is a little project which I try to do with the help of AngularJS and the Tailwind CSS. So let's talk about a little bit about Tailwind CSS and then AngularJS. So Tailwind CSS is a modern framework of traditional which we commonly use CSS as cascading style. Instead, is a traditional method, we can say. Now the Tailwind CSS is the advanced method. Is you can say that it's a modern method wherein which we uh, the approach is different to apply styling to our HTML tags as we use uh, selectors in the CSS styles for applying styling, giving styling to the each uh, individual elements in the HTML. But here in the Tailwind CSS, the approach is a bit different, wherein which we apply CSS to directly to the HTML tags. So there is no need to do create separate file or custom files for that. So we can directly do inside the HTML tags. So and also we save some lines of code over there, so it becomes very easy to understand where and which where and which we have applied which style. So that's about the Tailwind CSS. Now, if I talk about the AngularJS is a superset of JavaScript. So whoever is more familiar with the JavaScript, they can easily learn the AngularJS. So it's just a framework of JavaScript. As such, React.js is a framework of JavaScript. So Angular is also a framework of JavaScript. But Angular uses TypeScript. Now, where we have to define the data types. In the normal JS, we don't have to define the data types. It's taken by it's dynamically typed. JavaScript is dynamically typed, so we don't have to define it. But in the TypeScript, we have to define the data types of it so that while compiling time, while the on the time of compilation, it gives the error. Uh, Not in the compilation time, but as we write the code in the TypeScript, it auto generates the code, auto generates the errors over there only. We don't have to run the code to see the error. It will throw the error in the code itself. So that's the benefit of TypeScript. So it's very useful in the error prevention. So that's about the AngularJS. AngularJS. One more thing I want to include about AngularJS, which is commonly used for building single web pages. We can use reuses the web pages without reloading it. So let's see the application which we have built over there. So let's see that. Uh, first, let me run the application first in front of you guys, and then we will see that. Okay, it's taking a bit time to load this application. So okay, fine. So ng is a command to run. Ng serve is a command to run the application. So just hit the run, and this you will see that the application will be running over here. So Tailwind CSS and Angular. Okay, it's taking a bit time to load. But why it's taking too much time to close it over here? Like, let's again run this. Yes. Oh, it's taking too much time. Network issue? No, it's not a network issue. Yes, it's generating now. Just wait for a moment to run this application, then we will see all the web pages, uh, what all the work which I have done for the Todo application. Todo application is a simple application which I have built with the help of JavaScript also, but uh, doing with the TypeScript, or we can say that the Angular is a bit different, because we use TypeScript and Angular for the heavy applications. And if you try to use the similar application, it will in this JavaScript, so JavaScript will take little bit of more time to run this, or take the more code to do the same application. But in TypeScript, uh, it's a bit different from that. Okay, so let's run on this. Let's run on this Chrome. Let's run on this Chrome. So this is application. And for the database, so local storage for storing the data, I use uh, I use the local storage. So here you will be seeing the. Let's delete this first. And okay, so let's create the to do. I want to create a DSA, deleted task. Add this. You can see that the data is getting added to local storage, and plus for coding task. Let's add for English communication. Okay, so 3 tasks I have added. And suppose I want to delete any of the tasks, so I can click on this. But suppose before that I have completed with my communications, so I can do like this. I have completed my DSA task, I can do like this. Now, if I suppose if I try to refresh it, it will going to be same. It's not going to change. Now, if I want to delete this, suppose like this, like this. So this is a simple application which I made with the help of Tailwind CSS and the Angular for the front end side. So that is about it. I want to share about that. Thank you.